So I'm not here to judge how creepy a product is that gets sent to me, you know, um, especially in regards to things like privacy. I leave that to your own thoughts and whether you think this is something you'd want or something you don't want. But I know from searching out on YouTube, a lot of people that have Ray-Bans are always asking the question, how do I kind of stop the Ray-Ban light, the little light that lights up that says that it's recording? How do I get rid of that? Because Ray-Ban kind of has a thing that it looks like, if you're trying to block that or try to block that, I think it kind of just stops recording. Anyways, again, another product here from the folks over at GQLQR. You guys hopefully can see that. GQLQR. This is their LED light blocker for Meta AI glasses. So small little container. Small little container. Again, I'm not here to judge. Some people may be like, hey, that's not a great idea. Well, it is a cool idea. But they may be like, you shouldn't use that because of privacy concerns. Da 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 da. Up to you. Up to you. Lots of stuff in the world today that I don't agree with and you don't agree with. It is what it is. They're making them, so we're taking a look at them. Anyways, this is them. I like that it comes in a little case. That's nice. That's a cute little case. I'm guessing this just slides out. Yeah. Boom. Slide out. So what does it say here? What it says is Greg needs his glasses, is what it says. And not his Meta glasses, because those aren't helping me. Anyways, in dark or low light environments, any LED light cover, this one included, may affect recording. Ours is uniquely designed for easy removal and reinstallation, allowing you to quickly take it off when needed and put it back on effortlessly. Okay. Oh, it's like there's a bunch. There's a bunch of these. Look at them. They give you a whole bunch. And I don't know if you guys can see them. It's just like a little. It's hard. It's probably really hard to tell. You see it? It's just like a little cap. Yes? And that little cap, my guess is it just, I'm guessing it goes over top of this. Does it slide in? I don't know. My guess is I don't know. Does it just go on like that? So it's on. It just kind of snaps on. Again, I think if you were bouncing around, it may pop off. But now I'm curious. I'm curious now. I got that on. I have my other glasses on. See, it's late at night for me. Anyways, they're here. Yes, you guys can see them. So normally this side, I think it's that side. We have a light. So if I say, "Hey Meta, take a picture." Hey Meta, start recording. They're recording. They're recording. Right? You guys kind of simple, right? That's a simple process because it comes with this case. And my guess is, let's see, if I took this, could I just take it off with my fingers? Pop. Yeah, see, there's the light. Yes. And then when you don't want it, you just put it back in there. That's why they give you, it's probably why they give you a whole bunch of them because they go on. And I think, again, if you're not like bouncing around on an off road vehicle, you should be okay. They don't stick. There's a little kind of like curve or hole groove, I guess, beside where the LED light is. And this kind of sits in there. And it's enough for it to stay, right? Now, again, if you're just like bouncing around and whatever, earthquake maybe, it may fall out. But then you have nine more. Nine more. I do like that they give you this cool little box. It's just kind of like whoop, throw that in your bag when you want to use these. Cool. And they tell you, right? There are certain scenarios that having that there may cause you a bit of an issue. So you'll want to be aware of it. Maybe you'll learn over time when to use it, when not to use it. And I would think if you weren't concerned about privacy, right? And you're just like, oh, I want to record something without somebody knowing, for whatever reason, I'm not here to judge. It's not my job. You'd put it on. You'd have them off 90% of the time because you don't care. So, will I have these in my bag? Yeah, I think so. I think it's a cool idea. And again, in certain scenarios, where you're recording and maybe you're allowed to record, Yes, you're allowed to record, but you don't want that distraction, per se, of you having glasses that have a light on, right? So let's say, I'll use this as a for instance. I go to record my daughter. She's doing a play, and they say, yeah, you can do recording, but you can't have any flash or light on it. And this lights up. So I'm like, well, I can't use them. But no, now I can't. Now I can. So I can watch her do her stuff, right? Record. That's cool. And if you watch my previous video, I have the ability to charge for longer with their 2-in-1 cable. So I can just kind of keep going and going. Anyways, it is cool. You know what? You judge if you think it's morally right. That's not for me to do. Anyways, my friends, I'll put links to their website and you can check it out. And if you think it's cool and you have a pair of Ray-Bans with this light thing on them, you can get rid of it, I guess. All right, my friends, that's it. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. Later.